It never ends, it never ends. This is actually not too bad, it just needs to be decluttered. I'm Sophia, this is day number 23, I think, or 24, I can't remember, in my Vlogtober, and I am going to clean up my living room. I've just completed the dining room, and then after that I need to go and do the kitchen. So I tell you what, we're in the middle of chaos right now, and you know that because of the repairs they're doing on the house, and all of the frames and everything are off the walls, and there's a few things that I still need to keep here, like this thing here. I'm going to use the side of the sofa over there to store all of the frames and the paintings and the mirror, because I don't know where else to put them for now, and by next week they'll be back on the wall, so I might as well just keep them there. And that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to put them in the corner, and then I can start decluttering the rest of the living room. Okay, so I've moved all of the stuff that needs to be placed back on the walls here and over there. I have to put it here and keep it here because there really is no other place in the house. So I'm going to start decluttering here, and you'll notice it's not a lot that I need to declutter. I got a ton of stuff. Let's investigate what we have on here because it's not a lot, and then I'm just gonna basically just dust everything and clean. I thought the living room was in much worse shape, but it turns out it was just cluttered with all the stuff we removed. So let me take care of this, and we'll dust and get the dust from the top and the fans because that looks like it needs to be done, and then I'll vacuum and mop and I'll be done. This is gonna be a really short video because it's not a lot of work. The kitchen, however, oh, I don't know, it might take 3 days, we don't know. All right, let's do this. All right, so what do we have here? We have this thing. I'm gonna put it to the side. It's just I found it with that chandelier. That's gonna go for the ceiling in my dining room. I'm putting it to the side because that's gonna be done pretty soon. Okay, this is all of Edward's NJIT stuff that's gonna have to go to his room. And then I have a laundry basket with what appears to be unassorted socks. That's gonna have to go back down to the laundry. Willie's DS that goes upstairs. This thing here, I don't know what to do with it. I gotta figure it out. It doesn't even have any smell. You know what? I'm letting go of this. All right, that's my tea. I'm drinking that right now. That's a dusting cloth that's clean. It was part of the laundry stuff, and this photo album, and that's about it. So let me dust this whole table. And you see, I thought I was gonna be here forever, but nope. I'm almost done. Okay, move that to the side. Put some lemon oil. It's that time of the year where I have to start putting a lot of moisturizing creams and oils on the table because I'm going to start the fireplace pretty soon, and it really dries up the wood. So we gotta nourish it. While I'm here, I'm going to show you this thing here. I got it at the First Presbyterian shop the last time I went there. And this is a portiere made in France. See that? I don't know if I'm in focus. Okay. Anyway, this is a bowl that has quills on it. See, I don't know if you can see the quills. Okay, this thing is from the 1880s. I paid $3 for it. I was pretty happy when I found it. And it's staying here with my little rocks. And then you remember this one, right? That's the quill that actually I think that's, I don't know if that's a grouse or a quill. I think it's a, what does it say? Iron Art 1970. It's as old as me. This thing is 49 years old. Okay. Let's go do the pedestal at the bottom. A pillow here. There's a lot of dog hair stuck underneath, and I'm gonna have to, I don't know why this is here. I'm gonna have to vacuum thoroughly. Okay. So you know, sometimes you think you have a ton of work ahead of you, but really you don't, because I'm almost done. Empty. Do you know who sits here? Scott. This is Scott's. Okay, my tea. I'm gonna dust all of this. When I say it's not a lot of dust, you know I'm lying, right? Look at this. That's just the fan. All right, I can't use this anymore. Well, I'm pretty much done with dusting anyway. I'm gonna vacuum the chairs, the floor, mop, and I'm done. So you remember how I found those two tables? I figured, you know what, let me use those. Clutter, they gotta go. And so is this basket. I'm gonna keep this one. And I'm going to put my magazines that I'm keeping in here. Should remove that, right? Okay. And then this one can go. This and this. All of this. So now that's with the acorn, 1, 2, 3, 4 things I'm letting go of. 4. Okay. Not too bad. That's going straight up front because it's outside of town this Wednesday and I don't want to see it in the house anymore. Well, that was a mad dash that was really worthy. It didn't take much time at all. I think I spent half an hour altogether. Whew, I broke a sweat because I was running fast, but it shows that I must have made some progress somewhere along the way because I remember spending an entire day doing the living room and now it's done. And it's mopped and vacuumed and dusted. So let me give you a quick tour. This is what it looks like. And guys, I'm pretty happy. It's clean, it smells clean, even the fan is done. I did behind the chairs, underneath the baseboards. I didn't do, well, I vacuumed the top of the baseboards, but I did not, or heat boards, whatever you call them. But I didn't wash them. I'll do that before the holidays. Because remember, we're gonna have to do a whole bunch of stuff. Before the holidays, I gotta put all the paintings up on the wall, and what's going to happen is I may decide to change them, and then I'm going to have to drill some new holes, and we're going to have dust everywhere. So I'll do the baseboards and baseboards next time. This is done, and guess what? I said I was going to do a video on cleaning the kitchen. You've seen me clean my kitchen way too many times. I'm going to do that tonight on my spare time. The next video, at your request, because a few of you have requested, I'm going to repair that music box, because that's really what's itching me right now, is go play with tools and fix a music box. All you need is a screwdriver and clock oil. It just so happened that I have clock oil. So I'll see you tomorrow for day 25 or 26, I'm not sure. No, 25, yeah, 25. Thumbs up if you like this video. I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.